Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. मेरो previous video मा I showed you how to install Kali Linux on Windows 10 and run it as subsystem. आजको भिडियोमा चाहिँ I will show you how to install Kali Linux and run it as operating system on Windows 10 using VMware workstation. The process is very easy and less time consuming. Let's start. First of all, open your favorite browser and type VMware download and go to the first link shown. This will lead you into VMware official website and download for Windows. I mean Windows ma install गर्न गइरहेको छौं, so we will click on that. अनि सो डाउनलोड प्रोसेस बिगिन भइसकेको छ. मैले चाहिँ अलरेडी डाउनलोड गरेको भएर I will pause and cancel. I am assuming that you have downloaded and installed. Then search for Kali Linux. And kali.org is its official website. So go to download. You can choose your platform as we are using VMware workstation. I mean directly this tag we will download this VMware choose garera we will download. So download start bhaisakeko cha. We will get back when it is done. So download bhaisakeko cha. I will click on that ani यसलाई चाहिँ extract गर्ने एउटा specific folder मा. So browse the extracted folders. मेरो चाहिँ downloads मा छ. So see, these all are downloaded. So copy this folder and paste it on wherever you want according to your storage. That is storage छ त्यहाँ paste गर्ने. I choose local disk D because I have drive D choose gare because I have enough storage over there. So choose accordingly. So अब चाहिँ VMware workstation down open गर्ने and then choose open a virtual machine अनि हामीले त्यो जहाँ राखेको छौं त्यो अघिको फोल्डर त्यो ब्राउज गरेर त्यसलाई ओपन गर्ने. Then it will let you open and upgrade this virtual machine. Then choose the latest version. I choose 16. So name how you want to name it. मैले Kali choose गरे and I browse to the drive D. Same reason because I do have storage on that. So clone भइसकेपछि we will run it. So you can edit this virtual machine your setting ma gaera you can edit तर default मै छोडिदा पनि हुन्छ. So now power on this virtual machine. So see, I told you it is very easy process. Your username is Kali and your password is also Kali. So यो त भइहाल्यो. So directly हामीले virtual machine open गर्यौं VMware workstation मा. अनि you can change your username also there. तर अर्को प्रोसेस मा चाहिँ we can create virtual machine for Kali Linux on VMware workstation. जहाँ चाहिँ we can create our own username and password. That I will show you in my next video. Thank you. धेरै धन्यवाद and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.